Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Goincha Raponkaracho Ekvot charged that Fisheries Director Shamila Monteiro runs her own mechanical fishing boats and has been deliberately favouring the trawler owners by refusing to take necessary action. They said she failed to resolve the issue of LED light fishing. They also charged her with misusing her power as the director for her own benefit and demanded her resignation. GRE also pointed out that Director Monteiro has given an affidavit in the High Court that trawlers require gensets without them asking her to do so. Frustrated, the fishermen have demanded her immediate suspension.
आम्ही फिशर डिपार्टमेंट आयिल्ले ते मेमोरंडम दिवपाक आनी ते विचारपाक जेन्ना बांदोडकार भाऊसाहेब आसतना MG टायमार बोटी इसके येल्यो गोंयांत त्या टायमार सोन बोटी आज पासून बोटी चलताय पूण तेन्नाय बोटीक जनरेटर म्हणटा तांकां यूज करपाक नाका आनी अजूनय नाका 8 वर्ष जाली आतां LED लायट घालून नुस्तें मारचें आनी तेजे कितले पाटी आमी तेजेर ऑब्जेक्ट केले कितले पाटी आमी डिमांड दिले मेमोरंडम दिलो त्यो बंद करचे म्हूण आमकां सदांच फटयले मागीर आमी कोर्टान गेले आतां कोर्टान वयतरी कोर्टान आमची हेरींग चलता आनी ही डायरेक्टर अफिडावीट दिता तांकां बोटकारांक जेनसेट जाय म्हूण ते आतां विचारले जेनसेट जाय म्हूण दुकानाक तेणी बोटकारांनी बोट ओनरांनी मागिल्लो आमकां बोटीचेर जेनसेट जाय म्हणून ते ना म्हणटा ना जाल्यार तेन अफिडावीट केस दिली जेनसेट जाय म्हूण कोर्टाक म्हणजे ही माफिया बागार रावन ही आमगे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनाक काबार करूंक सोदिता आज ही LED लायट घालून फिशींग करप म्हणजे डायरेक्टराचो ताका सपोर्ट आहा डायरेक्टर आतां ते विचारले तुगे बोटी आहाय काय म्हणटी वय म्हणटा म्हणटरी आतां डायरेक्टरागे जर बोटी आहाय आनी तो डायरेक्टर आहा जाल्यार हे ताबेट तूं गव्हर्मेंटान रिजायन करपाची ना ती सस्पेंड करपाची गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसराक तर बोट कितलो आसूं शकताय आमी ते कडेन कितले पाटी डिमांड घायले आमच्या फायबर कॅनो लांजा जाय आमकां ते वाडोवचे म्हूण आमकां आज पर्यंत 44 डिमांडांचेर आमकां ती बोट आमकां फायबर पास करना आनी दिना
सांगून आमकां एसोसिएशनाक सांगून नॉर्वे गेल्ले तूं कोणा बारार गेल्ले नॉर्वे परत हिंगा आमी एलिगेशन करता तूं गेल्ले नॉर्वे गोंयचे आनी इंडियेचे फिशरमॅनाक काबार करपाक नॉर्वे गेले जाल्यार एक नुस्त्याचेर बंदी आसा हालींच 33 रिवर्सान नॉर्वेन सोलमन फिश बॅन केले कित्याक ती सारकी मेवना म्हणून अशें करून एक स्पिशीसाचेर बंदी आसा नॉर्वे ती तूं हाडटलो हिंगा तें सांग पण तूं गेल्ले कित्याक तर थिंगा जेन्ना फिशरमॅन मागता झगडटा की आमकां ही LED लायट नाका आयज सिंधुदूर्ग गेले जाल्यार महाराष्ट्राक गेले जाल्यार आमचे LED लायट थिंगा बोटकार काबार जाल्ले आमी आमचो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिशींग एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स WTO मिटींग जाल्ली अबुधाबी तितून इंडियन फिशरीज एग्रीमेंट सायन करूं ना कित्याक सायन करूं ना कित्याक ते म्हणटा की फिशरीज एग्रीमेंट सायन करपा जाय WTO म्हणटा फिशरीज एग्रीमेंट सायन करपा जाय कित्याक लागून आमी दोरयो बोटकार दोरयो ओवर एक्सप्लॉयट करता आनी मरीन रिसोर्सीस काबार करता म्हणून आमी इंडियेची सरकार हार्मफूल सबसिडी दिता म्हणून आनी हेका लागून एक्सप्लॉयटेशन जाता आतां हे डिपार्टमेंट पळय आहा ही आतां LED आनी जनरेटर इतली केवीएची दिलं जाल्यार आमची स्टँड वर्ल्डान कितें आसतलें कितें म्हणून आमचो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स वयतले आनी WTO सांगतले की आमी जनरेटर यूज करता आमी दोर्या काबार करता आमी नुस्तें ओवर एक्सप्लॉयट करता म्हणून सांगतले थिंगा वचून वी आर प्राउडली सेइंग that we Indian fishers are fishing sustainably. We have monsoon ban, we have other restriction, not like other countries in the world. तेका लागून अजून पासून आमकां चान्स मेळटा की नेगोशिएट करपाक थिंगा आमी मागतात चीफ मिनिस्टराक हेजेर चौकणी जावची हेजेर CBI इन्क्वायरी जावची कित्याक ही पळय आसा ही आमकां काबार करपाक येयलेलें आसा हेजेर क्लियर जालेलें आसा कित्याक 8 वर्सां जालीं आयज आजून पासून LED लायटाचो मुद्दो चालू आसा आनी आयज सगळे नुस्तेकारांक तो बोटकार आसूं या बारीक नुस्तेकारांक नुस्तें आयज दोरयेन ना आनी ही सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसा फिशरीज डायरेक्टर शर्मिला मोंतेरो
The matter is it's in the court now, and it is sub judice. So the High Court is hearing the matter. Whatever the court decides, we will abide by it. No?
बट त्यांचा आरोप आहे त्यांची डिमांडूच ना म्हणतात बट तुम्ही ॲफिडेव्हिटार घातला की
See, the matter is in the court, as I said. I cannot speak anything about it. Once the High Court decides on the matter, then we will abide by whatever the court.
The Karanzalam's traditional fishermen have hired excavators and workers to clean the beach, forcing them to pay lakhs of rupees. The poor condition of the beach has prevented them from venturing into the sea since the dirt gets entangled in the nets. The fishermen have been cleaning the beach themselves due to delays from the authorities and have urged the government to take immediate action and compensate them for their efforts. They expressed their concerns over the government's lack of seriousness in cleaning Karanzalam beach.
पहिले सध्या आमच्या ॲक्शन कमिटी मिटींग डिसोजान ताणें उलयलां कितें म्हणून जाय पळय हांव सेक्रेटरी आहे जो शिक्षकचो पूण जें हिंगा कितें जालां पळय तें हें सारकें गजून मेक सेन्स समज आमी तीन पयलीं एक फावट JCB घातली त्या मेरेन सावन आमी 2 घातल्यो आनी आतां 10 दीस कितें जाल्यो 12 दीस कितें जाल्यार JCB कंटिन्यू दवरता आयज 3 घातले JCB आमी कितलो काडून कसलो जायच ना नुस्तें पोवन गेले आमी सगळे रेडी आहा आमचे मी एक सांग एटलिस्ट टुरिजमान जो मिनिस्टर कोण आहा तो कोण गव्हर्मेंटान हेजेर पळोवचें वर्सां 12 म्हयने सेम प्रोसेस जाता म्हणून आमी आमचे डिले जाता म्हणून आमी ते हें घातली JCB घातली म्हणजे गेल्या वर्सा घातले हे पाटूय घातली आतां फुडले तो प्रोसेस आमकां हेल्प तरी करूंक जाय न्हू हे JCB घालपाक कंपन्सेशन पूण कितें दिवपाक जाय न्हू सो आमी आमचे भितरले पयशे मोडटा न्हू इट डजंट मेक सेन्स न्हू आतां पळय आमचे कितले वयर आहा कितले रांपणकाराचे हे प्रॉब्लम आहा हेल्प अस न्हू
फाटल्या दिसांनी पेपरार हेराल्डाचेर येवन गेल्ले तेजे उपरांत कोण मेळपाक बी आयले तुमकां
एक्चुअली आमकां मेळपाक कोणूच येवना पळय आय टेल यू वन थिंग कोण कोणाचें भर घेयना कोण कोणाचें पडोवना ईच वन हेज टू स्ट्रगल फॉर हीज ओन लायफ कोण कोणाचें हें करिना सगळे बेश्टे एक्चुअली आमकां आनी ताका एकूच हांव आमच्या मेयराक हांव थँक्स म्हणटा कित्याक ताणें एक JCB आमकां दिला ताका 1-2 दिसांक दिलोच ताणें थँक्यू व्हेरी मच मेयर कित्याक ताणें तर येवन मातसो येवन गेलो हिंगा ताणें पळयलें पूण ताणें मागीर तें एक JCB दिली 2 दिसांक आमकां बाकी सगळी JCB आमीच घातल्या आयज आमी 2 एका दिसाक आमी 8 टना JCB घालता आनी तूं जाणा तेजो कॉस्ट कितलो पळय तो राजे गोड्यान आसा आमी कशें कितें करतले आमचें कितलें आतां वयर आतां मागीर तुका नुस्तें शॉर्ट आसता आतांच तें नुस्तें मारपाचें नुस्तें पळोवन चल्लें आमी कितें करपाचें तें सफरींग लॉट ऑफ राखून सफरींग दीस गव्हर्मेंटाक सांग सोदता कितें आमचें आतां पळय हिंगा क्यू सिस्टम जाता आमी पयलीं स्टार्ट करताले पयलो मोव हो राहनालो हो मोव सोमतो डायरेक्ट वयतालो नान जातालो मोव तेन्ना मागीर आमी स्टार्ट करताले राखून दवरपाक आतां आमचे 18-19 रापोर्ट्स आहा क्यू सिस्टम चलता आमी आतां एकल्याक जर तूं 1.5 लाखाचें 1 लाखाचें जर तूं 2 लाखाचें आमी पळोवंक जायना कितले पडटले ते आतां 19 जाणांक कितले जाल्यार कितले तूं जाता एटलीस्ट 36 lakhs आनी अबाव जाता हे कितले लॉस आमकां आतां कितले जो तुमी सांगा आतां म्हाका तुमी येता नाका जाल्यार कितें करता हिंगा एटलीस्ट आमचें पळोवंक जाय न्हू आमचें विचारूंक जाय वॉट इज अ प्रॉब्लम न्हू उगी रावता म्हूण चड कोन्न नाका रावशेर उगी रावता आमी कितले म्हूण करतले तुमी कितले म्हूण आयकतले तुमचें हें करतले आमी सोंसतले
ओके तुमी आतां JCB 3 घातल्या 3 JCB तुमी आतां पासून कितले खर्च केला
आतां सद्या 2 JCB आमची एक JCB CCP ची
ओके
ते रोहनान आमकां दिली पळय ती मेयरान दिल्या पळय ती पण तेजो आतां आमकां 10 दिसांचो JCBचो एस्टिमेट कर कितलो आतां पळय तो एका वराक 1100 मागीर एस्टिमेट मध्ये कितलो जातलो पळय तो स्पेस तशें प्रॉब्लम ना पूण कितें आहा एटलीस्ट क्लीन तरी जावंक जाय काडटा काबारूच जायना काडटा काबारूच जायना
आतां उणेशे आमकां 15-16 दीस जाले बेकार आहा भुरगे रडटा घरा कडेन वेपार बंद आहा आमचो आमी आतां 3 JCB घायल्या हिंगा तो कचरो पडटा वर्सां वर्स तो आमच्यान काडूंक जायना आतां आमी एका फाटल्यान 3 JCB घायल्या ते आमी जाता तितले बेगीन सुरू करपाक हांव म्हणटा ह्या आतां MLA कावन्सिलर भोंवता तेंच्या पांयां की बुडी आदोवना 14 हातीन दिल्या एका मिनिस्टराक एक खातें हांव म्हणटा रोवन होंवटे खूंय दिला हांव नांव घेवन सांगता हांव भिना आमी काय दर्यार पोट करता आमकां आमची नेटां बेटां भरून आमी रेडी आहा पूण आमकां आमचें लायव्हलीहूड आमकां मेळना टायमार हें आतां जमनीचें नुस्तें पळय येता तें ह्याच म्हयन्यान मेळटा बाकीचें नुस्तें गेलें पाण्या प्रमाणे हांव शिडकावन दिता रोहित मोटेक मातशी नदर मारची हे प्रायर कारांजालेचे आमी उणेशे म्हाका दिसता 100 टन सुमार वयर मारला तो मोव आतां मायनी बंद जाले हे दोंगर तुमकां आमी दाखयता कितलो काडला तो आमकां हिंगा पोट भरूंक मेवना.
The Goa Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai has scaled down the Independence Day party and is contributing rupees 6 lakh to the Kerala Chief Minister's Relief Fund for Wayanad victims. He disclosed this while flagging off the Street Providence relief material truck with aid material for Wayanad landslide victims. He said he would also donate rupees 2 lakh from Governor's Fund to the Kerala Chief Minister's Fund. The Street Providence aid includes 300 bed sheets, towels, mattresses and 2,000 organic sanitary pads for the survivors.
And today we have taken this occasion upon the appeal from the bishops of the diocese of Kozhikode and Kannur and all these areas, and we are sending a truck filled with 300 bed sheets, 300 mats, 300 towels, then after 2,000 pieces of organic sanitary pads and various ration items that are going. This is just our first lot that we have got in touch with them, and it is heartening that many other institutions have got in touch with us to raise funds as well as money as well as kind too, so that we can give to the people of Wayanad. And it was we took the opportunity as the Honorable Governor being from the state of Kerala, and he told us that he is close to that place in Calicut. So he also obliged. He came last night and today morning he has been with us.
For me to be able to travel with the team going to Wayanad for relief work. We will be traveling via Karwar, Calicut and then to Wayanad. It's a great opportunity for us to people of Goa who have donated to help the people in need and those who are facing tough times. I would also request all the people of Goa to donate to Street Providence. Street Providence has taken up this challenge of reaching out to the needy, and it's a opportunity for all people in Goa to be able to donate generously so that Street Providence can do more work, better work to all those in need. We hope to reach out to the people of Wayanad and help them in their distressful situation. And we hope that our help to them will benefit them.
Wayanad, on the incident day itself, I contacted Chief Minister and our Health Minister. Even I am told that they issued a statement by extending their full support for the relief activities there. And rehabilitation also they will help, that is there. And as far as Rajabhavan is concerned, every year that at-home program is there. Normally very good food we are providing from very good hotels, Taj and other things. 500 people gather here. This time we have decided not to cancel the program because a national program with national integrity and other things are highlighting. So I have not cancelled. But this time that food, you can call it as a feast. A feast party is not there. And through that we can save 6 lakhs rupees, and we are providing that amount to the Kerala Chief Minister's Relief Fund and Governor's Fund also. I'm giving 2 lakhs rupees additionally.
The Goa Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai has scaled down the Independence Day party and is contributing rupees 6 lakh to the Kerala Chief Minister's Relief Fund for Wayanad victims. He disclosed this while flagging off the Street Providence relief material truck with aid material for Wayanad landslide victims. He said he would also donate rupees 2 lakh from Governor's Fund to the Kerala Chief Minister's Fund. The Street Providence aid includes 300 bed sheets, towels, mattresses and 2,000 organic sanitary pads for the survivors.
Whether the citizens should oppose am under illegal techno parties. Now when this question comes, it is becoming so very clear that it has become a way of life for this government to allow illegal activities. Now, the citizens have always been opposing this because it is a nuisance and a great danger to the health of senior citizens and especially infants. This government seems to be happy in selling the peace, the environment and health of our citizens. The tourist that once visited this state believing that this was heaven on earth. Today, the same tourists who visit say that we are seeing a glimpse of hell on earth.
अत्यंत दुर्दैवी गजाल हे असलें आयकप सुद्दां, कारण 15 ऑगस्ट म्हणजे आमकां अंग्रेजां म्हणजे ब्रिटिशा पासून जी आमकां आजादी गावल्ली तो दीस आमी मनयता, ताका आमी एक बरो दीस म्हूण आमी साजरो करता. इट इज आवर इंडिपेंडन्स डे. ही इंडिपेंडन्स आमकां मेळच्या खातीर तुमी जाणा आमचे कितके तरी जे आमचे देशाचे सोल्जर्स आसात तेंच्यांनी आपल्या प्राणाची आहुती दिली. कितके तरी लोक ह्या अभियानान फुडें सरोन आपल्या जिवाची आहुती दिवन आयज आमकां हो इंडिपेंडन्स दिला. आयज आमच्या देशाचो पंतप्रधान सुद्दां सांगता की प्रत्येक मनशान म्हणजे माननीय प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी तो सुद्दां म्हणटा की प्रत्येक मनशान आपल्या घराचेर आमच्या देशाचो फ्लॅग लावन हो 15 ऑगस्ट एक फेस्टिवल कसो करचो म्हणून.
तर हें सेलेब्रेशन आमी आमच्या लिमिटेनूय दवरूंक जाय. अदीक करून रातचें जे बीच सायडीन ह्यो पार्ट्यो जाता लावड म्युजीक घालून ओ सोऱ्यान येंदान वयता, अल्कोहोल जावन वयता, म्युजीक घालून व्हडले व्हेकल चलयता तें कोता आनी हितून लोकांक जायते डिस्टर्बन्स जाता. हें आमी 15 ऑगस्टाक तरी आमी सांबाळपाक जाय की हो आमी विचार करूंक जाय, बट दुसऱ्यांक आमी त्रास करूंक पान्ना.
Due to the ongoing 6-lane corridor construction work at Porvorim, the Goa Traffic Police have begun diverting all Goa-Maharashtra border heavy vehicles and state buses. State buses and other vehicles heading to Panjim have been rerouted through the Banda Dodamarg road, while trucks and goods carriers are restricted to nighttime movement.
As the 6-lane corridor construction continues at Porvorim, the Goa Traffic Police have implemented traffic diversions for all Goa-Maharashtra border heavy vehicles and state buses. State buses and vehicles heading to Panjim are now being redirected through Banda Dodamarg road. Meanwhile, trucks and goods carriers are restricted to travelling at night. From 5 a.m. to 10 p.m., trucks are halted and only allowed to proceed after 10 p.m.
काम चालू आहे आज परवरी ताका लागून परवरी हांगा ब्लॉक कर म्हटलें.
सर आता सध्या जे वोल्वो बस बी आसा न्ही, आता पेडणे जर वचोंक जाय तर तांचे कशें कितें पेडणे सोडटात?
पेडणे म्हापसा गाडयो करसवाडा ही आमची गाडी सोडटा. फक्त पणजे जाणारी गाडी आहा त्यो आमी 8 सीटर म्हणजे 8 टायराच्यो 10 टायराच्यो ते आमी बंद करता. कितलो वेळ? रातचे 10 पर्यंत. 10च्या उपरांत मागीर सोडटले. कितल्यांक स्टॉप करतात सर तुमी? 5:30 गेले सकाळच्यान ते राती 10 मेरेन. जे हेवी व्हेकल आसात ते मग रातचे 10 उपरांत ते रिलीज करा. सध्या काय इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे आपल्याला? पोलीस काय सांगतात? ते ट्रॅफिक पोलीस सांगतात काम चालू आहे आणि सगळ्या गाड्या थांबवून टाकल्या.
आता हेवी व्हेकल्स कधी सोडणार असं काय सांगितलं ते?
10 वाजता सोडणार.
10च्या नंतर. आता तुम्हाला किती वेळ झाला इथे येऊन?
आता मला मी 3 वाजता आलो.
3 वाजता तुम्ही आलात. अंदाजे किती ट्रक असेल असा?
अंदाजे 150-200 ट्रक असतील.
ओके. आता तुम्हाला कुठून आलात तुम्ही?
मी पुण्याहून आलो.
ओके. आता पुण्याहून कुठे साऊथला ना? वेरणाला जाऊन परत जाणार. ओके.
South Goa MP Captain Vidyato Fernandes has stated that the Damodar Saptah festival could be given the status of a state festival if it is in the demand of the people. MP Vidyato visited the Damodar temple on the occasion of the 125th Damodar Saptah on Tuesday. The famous Damodar Saptah festival in Vasco is likely to be accorded state festival status by next year, as mentioned by the Chief Minister.
The famous Damodar Saptah festival in Vasco is likely to be granted state festival status by next year, even as the religious aspect of Damodar Bhajani Saptah concluded with Samapti rituals. During his visit to the Damodar temple on the occasion of the 125th Damodar Saptah on Tuesday, MP Vidyato showed his support for the festival's elevation.
गोंय आमकां हें सांबाळून दवरलां आमच्या आवय बापायन आमच्या पुर्वजांनी. जेन्ना आमची भुरगीं व्हडलीं जातलीं ती आमकां विचारतलीं आमकां तुमी कितें सोडलां. सो आमी हे मुद्दे काडून पार्लमेंटान आमी कोणाक फावर करूंक ना. आमी पळय ते कितें डिले जाले, कितें पळय निसंटन जालां तें आमी दिवस जाता तितलें करूंक सोदतात. सो ती आमचो कर्तव्य, हें करपाकूच जाय आमी कोणाक फावर करिना. आमी आतां झूज मांडपाक जाय. हें जस्ट फ्यू स्टेप्स घेतले आमी. इतले एक्टिविस्ट, इतले लोक जमनीर झगडटा कोणाक लागून? तांकां कांय पर्सनल फायदो ना, फक्त एक बरें गोंयांत दवरपाक. सो आमकां जेन्ना लोकांनी पार्लमेंटान धाडले म्हणजे लोकांचो आवाज थंय काडपाक. हांव उलोवंक ना पार्लमेंटान, आमचो लोक उलयला पार्लमेंटान.
कॅप्टन अंदू दामोदर भजनी सप्तका 125 वर्सां. ताका लागून राज्य सरकाराच्या अनेक आमदारांनी हो फेस्टिवल स्टेट फेस्टिवल म्हणून करचो म्हटला. तूं एक मुरगांव तालुक्याचो दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार, तेजेर तुमचें कितें मत?
ना, सगल्यांचो एक डिमांड आसा जाल्यार हें जावचें.
Konkan Railway, in coordination with Central Railways, has decided to run special trains of Konkan Railway for the convenience of passengers Independence Day and Ganesh Chaturthi to avoid overcrowding of the trains. The trains will be available from Lokmanya Tilak Terminus, Mumbai to Margao Railway Station. Special trains will also be running between September 3rd and 19 to cater to passengers travelling during Ganesh Chaturthi from Mumbai to other destinations. Baban Ghatge, Deputy General Manager, PR Konkan Railway, has urged all the commuters to avail this benefit.
Due to heavy rush during this coming weekend, Konkan Railway, in coordination with Central Railway, has decided to run a special train between Lokmanya Tilak Terminus and Madgaon. This train number 01149, it will leave Lokmanya Tilak Terminus at 21 hours on Thursday and Saturday, that is on 15th August and 17th August. And it will reach Madgaon the next day, that is on 16th and 18th. The train number 01150 between Madgaon to LTT will leave Madgaon at 11 hours on Friday and Sunday, that is on 16th August and 18th August, and reach Lokmanya Tilak Terminus on same night at odd 40 hours. This train will have around 21 coaches and will stop at Thana, Panvel, Pen, Roha, Mangav, Veer, Khed, Chiplun, Savarde, Sangmeshwar, Ratnagiri, Adavli, Vilavde, Rajapur, Vaibhavadi, Nandgaon, Kankavli, Kudal, Sawantwadi, Thibim and Karmali station. Besides this special train, because this Ganpati festival is on now, so there's a lot of demand for special trains. So in coordination with Central Railway as well as Western Railway and Southern Railway, Konkan Railway is planning to run special trains between Mumbai Central Tokur, then Mumbai Central Sawantwadi, Mumbai Central, then Bandra Terminus, Kudal Bandra Terminus, Ahmedabad, Kudal Ahmedabad, then Vishwamitri, Kudal Vishwamitri, Ahmedabad Mangalore Junction, Ahmedabad, LTT Ratnagiri, LTT, Pune Ratnagiri, Pune, and Ratnagiri Panvel, Ratnagiri. On these routes, special trains will be run between 3rd of September till 19th of September. So I request all the passengers and especially these Chakamanis who are coming for Ganesh festival to avail these special services.
Rampant tree felling adjacent to the Karmari railway station has annoyed Karambolim residents, even as the Konkan Railway claimed that these trees were dangerous for its overhead equipment. The residents of Karambolim claim that over the past few days, several trees have been cut, purportedly to lay a new railway track.
The Karambolim residents raised serious questions over rampant tree felling being carried out at Karmali railway station by the Konkan Railway Department, as they claimed that these trees were dangerous for its overhead equipment. The residents of Karambolim claim that over the past few days, several trees have been cut, purportedly to lay a new railway track. When contacted, Konkan Railway Deputy General Manager PR Baban Ghatge said the trees were dangerous for overhead equipment. KRCL Electrical and Engineering Department has carried out joint inspection and which trees were dangerous for operations have been cut. When asked whether the KRCL had obtained permission from the department to cut trees, Ghatge said, permission from the Forest Department is not required as the trees are in our land. We have to take action if trees are dangerous to rail traffic.
The National Students Union of India, Goa, accompanied by Bachelor of Vocational Education students, requested the Registrar of Goa University not to bar them from progressing to the next academic year due to the absence of a structured ordinance. This would result in the loss of an entire academic year for them. The registrars assured them that necessary amendments to the ordinance would be made promptly to address this issue and provide relief to the students.
Today, NSUI Goa met the registrar regarding an urgent issue of BOC students. BOC students तांचे PD, the program director and the department due to failure in the skill course तांका promote करिनासले. And as per the ordinance, अशें खंयच बरोवंक ना की students should be debarred to go for next academic year. So to discuss that, we met the registrar आणि विस्तारान आमच्यानी चर्चा केली की as per ordinance कांयच अशें बरोवंक ना की भुरग्यांक तुमी प्रमोट करूंक शकना. आणि रजिस्ट्रार सुद्धा मान्य करता की ऑर्डिनन्सा प्रमाणे हांकां फुडें वचपा खातीर प्रमोट करपा खातीर शक्य आसा. So registrar has assured us ki along with the PD and along with the dean of the school, they will discuss this matter and they will make sure that हे जे students are, BOC students are, हांचो एक वर्स पिरियड जावचो न्हय आनी हांकां कंटिन्यू करपाक दिवचो. We thank the registrar that he has taken this issue positively and we hope that the decision will come soon in the interest of BOC students. आणि BOC कोर्स जो आहा अख्ख्या गोंयांत 3 कॉलेजींत लागता. एक गोवा युनिवर्सिटी, एक खांडोला कॉलेज, एक दामोदर कॉलेज. So your issue is for 3 colleges. So registrar has told that the statute is not properly structured. The statutes are revised totally, and they will make sure the statute is pro student so that the student doesn't lose one precious years.
Goa Police SC and Pax of Nagwa played a goalless draw in the second edition of late Bhausaheb Bandodkar Trophy organized by Goa Football Association on Monday at Chaugule Ground, Margao. 1 minute silence was observed on the 51st death anniversary of late Bhausaheb Bandodkar at the start of the match.
Goa Police Sports Club and PAX of Nago play a goalless draw in the second edition of late Bhausaheb Bandodkar Trophy organized by Goa Football Association here on Monday at Chaugule Ground, Margao. On the occasion of the 51st death anniversary of late Bhausaheb Bandodkar, a 1 minute of silence was observed at the start of the match. From the start, both teams showed urgency to score goals, but their goalkeepers were equal to the task to thwart the both teams' opportunities which came their way in both the sessions. Their forwards also made some good inroads but were not on the target to open the account. Inacio for Herald TV.
Ambelim Sports Club outplayed Father Agnello Youth Sports Club Paroda 4-2 via tiebreaker to enter into the final of Our Lady of Mauritius Cup Inter-Village Football Tournament. The thrilling match was organised by Sirli Sports Club at Chichni Church Ground on Monday.
In semi-finals of Our Lady of Mauritius Cup Inter-Village Football Tournament, Ambelim Sports Club outplayed Father Agnello Youth Sports Club, Paroda. The match saw both the teams mostly battling out in the midfield with Father Agnello Youth Sports Club having a slight upper hand, thanks to Selton Fernandes, who controlled the game from the centre. Both the teams were tied goalless at the full session. In the resultant tiebreaker, Ambelim Sports Club scored through Michael, Welroy, Crossley and Blasco, while Father Agnello Youth Sports Club netted through Kangshan and Melvino. In the tiebreaker, Ambelim Sports Club defeated Father Agnello Youth Sports Club, Paroda, 4-2. Ambelim Sports Club to meet Navelim Villagers Union in the final slated on 15th August. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and update, catch us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.